Hi, this is Mrs. Kidman, and in this video, we are going to go over how we access the Big Ideas Math textbook. So here you can see that I've opened up just my Google browser. You can do this with any web browser. And what I'm going to type in is Big Ideas Math. And that's what I want to look for. Now notice this very first thing that comes up is this www.bigideasmath.com. And that's the website we want to go to. So I'm going to click on Big Ideas Math, and it's going to take me to this login page. Now, although it gives me this option to log in with a username and password, what I'm actually going to do is scroll down to this Login with Clever option. When I log in with Clever, I'm going to access my school email account, and it syncs it up so our school accounts actually have access to this Big Ideas, and it's linked directly to my class already. So we're going to click Login with Clever. And after we get here, the very first thing it wants us to do is look for our school. Now, our school is called Green Canyon. And so I'm going to just type in Green Canyon, and notice how this one is in the Cache County School District. That's the one that I want, so I'm going to actually click on it. Now it says we're logging in with the Cache County School District. This is our district, so we want to log in. Now as a teacher, I'm going to log in with my first name dot last name at ccsdut.org. However, as a student, what you're going to do is you are going to log in and you are going to use your school email. So that's going to be your 7-letter account, your 7-letter code, and this is going to be the exact same way you log into a Chromebook or anything like that at school. So we're going to log in with Google using our school account. And so I'm going to log in with my school account here, aaron.kidman@ccsdut.org. I'm going to type in my username, type in my password, and it should sign me in, and it'll take me directly to this Clever page. Now, as I open up this page, or this Big Math Ideas, as it brings me here, it'll kind of give me my dashboard. Now, as a teacher, my dashboard looks a little bit different than yours, but it's pretty similar. What's going to actually happen here is you kind of have two options when it comes to your assignments. Your first option is you can access your ebook. And when we access the ebook, you're just going to click right here, click on the ebook, and what's going to happen is it can pull up our math textbook this way. And all you need to do is find the assignment you need to work on, and you are going to find our textbook. So you should only have our Integrated Math 2 textbook. If you have more than one, we're using this blue textbook that says Integrated Math 2. As you click on it, it should open up our math textbook for you, and it will take a second to load depending on your internet bandwidth. And as it's loading, we are able to find what page we need to work on and work on it. So when you do your assignment on paper, this is your option that you're going to use, and you can just type in your page number directly right here. So if I'm doing an assignment on page 85, I can type in page 85 and log in that way. If I have an assignment on a different page, I can go in and type that page in. And then I can use these zoom features to zoom in and click and drag and fill out that assignment. When I do this assignment, I am going to do it on a piece of paper rather than online. So that's our very first option. You can access the textbook online and then write it down on paper. Our second option is to use your dashboard. So your dashboard, what happens is you're going to have a list of assignments, just like I do here, that say what assignments you have written, what assignments you have access to. And you can just click on that assignment directly. And what it's going to do is it's going to pull up the questions from that assignment. Now mine looks a little bit different, but what yours is going to look like is, if I view this assignment here, yours is going to look something like this. It'll only show up one question at a time, but it'll have a question that says something like write a piecewise function for the graph. And here you can actually just type in those functions directly. So as I'm working on this problem, I can say, oh, this is going to look like this, and I'm going to type it right in. So this line here, well, it crosses the y-axis at 2. It has a slope of 1, so it's going to be x plus 2. If x is less than 0, it's just going to be 2. When x is greater than or equal to 0. Okay, and then as I finish it, it'll have a button that I can check it. You can check it a couple of times. If I decide to do it this way, after I finish taking it, I just need to screenshot my score and then submit my assignment that way. If I decide to do it through the textbook, what we're going to do is we're actually going to access Canvas. And we're going to access Canvas through the school website, and you're going to log in and submit your assignment that way. So you have those two different options on how you access that Big Ideas Math textbook. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out and I am happy to help. Thanks.